With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this video we have a question that conversion of PGA to G3P in PCR cycle involves. So we know that there is a PCR cycle, so in that PCR cycle, here the question is saying that the conversion of, we have to convert what? The conversion of PGA into G3P. So what is this? Let's see. Before that, let's read the option. That option are saying that oxidative decarboxylation, decarboxylation and deamination, phosphorylation and reduction, and after that reduction and transmission. So here transamination. So next here you can see the cycle, and this is a Calvin cycle, correct? And in this cycle there are some steps involved, and in that step the main important here is that rubiscose, or we can say only just ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, okay, the carboxylase oxygenase, which will be said as rubiscose. We will write here rubisco, okay. So this rubisco which is mentioned here, it's a very main important component in the overall this cycle. Basically this enzyme combines the carbon dioxide which is dissolved in the cytosol. Okay, as you can see, carbon fixation is done here. So carbon fixation, that means obviously CO2 will involve here, and that carbon fixation in the, here you can see 3 CO2 is there, and here carbon fixation is done because of rubiscose. After that the 3 PGA is formed here, okay, 6 molecules of 3 PGA. So what is this 3 PGA? Basically it is 3 phosphoglycerate, okay, that will be said as 3 PGA. 3 PGA, that is 3 phosphoglycerate, okay, and that 3 phosphoglycerate is here, and this 3 phosphoglycerate will convert into, as you can see, G3P, and that G3P will be said as here, this G3P is a conversion, and in this 3GP, what will happen, the all oral reaction? Let's have a look on that. So in this reaction, what is the most important thing? Let's see. So here first we will write here glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, okay, and that is for G3P, okay. Now let's see what is going to happen here in this reaction of the conversion. The first thing which going to happen, that first this 3GPA, that will the 3GPA kinase add to phosphate, and here the ATP, the phosphate is taken out from ATP, as here you can see this 3GPA, and for that from the ATP the ADP formation is there, as you can see arrow ATP to ADP, because one of the phosphate is being used here, and that phosphate is why it is being used here. That phosphate is being used to make 3 PGA to form a 1,3-biphosphoglycerate, okay. So this reaction we will write here. What will happen? So this 3 PGA, it will get convert into 1,3 by, here sorry, here it should be 1,3-biphospho-glycerate, okay. So for this conversion, here the one phosphate will be used, phosphate, and that phosphate is obtained from, that phosphate is get from ATP. So ATP phosphate will be used, so that's why ATP will become now ADP. So adenosine triphosphate will become now diphosphate, okay, because phosphate is being used. Now then after that the NADP will be used, or we can say the NADP is removed. As you can see here, the NADPH is getting converted in NADP plus, okay. So here this is using or removing of hydrogen. Why it is taking place? So this removed hydrogen will be used in this 1,3-biphospho-glycerate, and what will happen? Let's see. So here you can see the NADPH, and this NADPH Out of this, it becomes NADP plus because the hydrogen EH is being used, and because of this usage of EH, this 1,3-biphosphoglycerate, it turns into, or what it makes, it gets glyceraldehyde. Here it should be glyceraldehyde. So it will make glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Understand? And which also will be called as here, which also will be called as what? 3G3P. Okay. Are you getting the point? It's very important to understand. The H2 is being used here. So for that, what have been done? So this 3-PGA conversion into G3P, two processes are being done. First, the phosphate usage. That's why phosphate usage will cause the process called as phosphorylation. Okay. First, the phosphorylation will be takes place. After that, here NADPH to converting into NADP. That means the hydrogen molecule, hydrogen atom is being used, and for that obviously reduction takes place. So the reduction process is also done here. We can write here the reduction process is done. Okay. Reduction. Now here reduction is also done. And out of this we get, first here we have 3-PGA. Sorry, here it should be 3-PGA. And this 3-PGA convert into 1,3-biphosphoglycerate with the help of phosphorylation. And after that, this 1,3-biphosphoglycerate will convert into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate with the help of the reduction. So that's why two processes are being took place here. So in the option number, here third option is saying that phosphorylation and reduction. So in the third option, we have our answer, that is first phosphorylation is being takes place, after that reduction is being takes place, correct? And after this, both of the processes which are mentioned here, we will get the G3P, okay, in that cycle. So that's why our answer is third option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.